Hey y'all, it's your girly Maya and I'm back with another video. In today's video, we're going to be doing a what I eat in a day. Right now, I'm really trying to focus on whole foods, clean ingredients, and just making sure that I'm hitting my protein intake. I usually eat breakfast around 9 a.m. It's about 9:15 right now. I needed to go to the store last night, but I felt super nauseous last night. I only have the booty end of the bread, and I should have ate this with another piece of bread because I can't eat 2 booty pieces of the bread. That's just crazy. But this bread is 90 calories for 2 slices, and that's what I had been doing, but I don't have that right now, and I also don't have any sausage or anything, and I just don't want to eat just eggs. So my brother has these bagels, these protein bagels. They have 11 grams of protein and it's 290 calories. It's a lot more fucking calories, but that's okay. That's all right. This is why you need to be prepared, but this is realistic. Everything is not going to be perfect. So I'm going to get my eggs, egg whites, also add some onion and bell pepper cut up. I don't ever track my onions and bell peppers. I'm finna log in here. Is this Killer Days? I think this is Killer Days. Ooh, just one. And then I think I'm gonna do more egg whites. I usually do a half a cup of egg whites, but I think I'm gonna do a cup of egg whites, just to make it a little bit more high protein since it has a lot of carbs. This is, well, I don't know if it's more carbs than I usually eat. Yeah, it definitely has less carbs. This is 7% and this is 21%. And I'm gonna turn the heat down full, because usually my breakfast keep me full. These bagels smell so good, y'all. I haven't been eating that much sugar. These smell heavenly. Call it lazy, call it a hack, call it whatever you want to call it. But typically, I used to scramble my eggs, but then when you eat eggs every day, you know, that's a lot of washing of the pan. And it's just too much. So I typically, boom, I make an omelet type situation, and then I just put this on my bread. Cause you see that it ain't no residue on the pan. It's a little bit right here, but we just gonna, you know, it's all right. I'm gonna come back when the breakfast sandwich is assembled. All right, y'all. It is later. It's 12 o'clock. Oh God, I can't put this belt on. My stomach is killing me. I feel super duper nauseous. Oh. So, I ate nothing else other than that breakfast sandwich. I'm gonna bring these blueberries because I like to be prepared. We're gonna bring some of the original Skinny Pop popcorn because it's salty and that could possibly help with my nausea. I don't have any crackers or anything, but I feel terrible. But I have to go to work, so I'm about to head out. I need to go to the grocery store after, but y'all, I don't even want to be out. If I didn't have to make money to live life, I wouldn't be going to work. Well, update y'all later. All right, y'all, so I am almost basically at work, but I needed to stop and get gas, and so I started to get a little less nauseous as I was driving over here. I put the air on, and usually cold air helps me. So when I went to get gas, I went to the gas station, and of course my period is coming. I'm having cravings. I did good. Ooh, somebody called me. I did good. I didn't get any chocolate. I got fruit snacks, but I put them back because when I got gas and I seen my total, I said, the snacks is the same price as the gas? Oh, baby, we got to put something back. So I got a Lunchable, a ham and cheese Lunchable, because it had crackers in it, and then I got a bag of chips. I really wanted a fucking Milky Way or something, but we're making progress. Not getting the chocolate was good, bitch. I needed something. I needed something. All right, y'all, so I am back. I would have recorded more when I was at work, but I need to go over our video, picture, social media policy, because I don't need to be recording on the clock, and here they come telling me I'm fired. So these are the chips that I bought. I ate them down to like right here. I ate the blueberries that I packed. I also ate the Lunchable. I shared the blueberries and the Lunchable with my coworkers. I say that, but I ate majority of it. And I didn't eat the popcorn. So yeah, I went to the store. It's much later. It's almost 9 o'clock. And I got off work at 6. And I'm just getting home. I went to Smith's to get some pico, some cheese, and then I was telling y'all I needed some more bread for my breakfast sandwiches, so I got that. I should have honestly got stuff to like actually meal prep, but I feel better now. But earlier I felt like shit. So we're just gonna treat the day like I still feel like shit. I bought ice cream, which coincidentally melted inside of the car. It's okay. I didn't need it anyway. But I'm about to make some nachos. I really wanted to buy food, but I knew that I meal prepped that chicken, and I think today is the 5th day. So we need to use that today. So I'm going to make some chicken nachos because I have some tortilla chips in the cupboard that I also need to use. So I figured I would kill 2 birds with 1 stone. That's why I bought the cheese and the pico to go on the nachos. I got lettuce, salsa, and Greek yogurt for sour cream. So let's assemble the nachos. This meat already like came pre-seasoned from Aldi, but I'm just adding like a little bit more, trying to find some cumin. Oh, there we go. I know we gotta have some, so it can just give a little bit more taco meat. I know I started off counting none of this shit. I feel like, I know I'm not gonna just go OD though. Okay. My camera is about to die, so I'm about to make these and I will come back once it's all plated up. I'm literally just y'all know how to make nachos.
I could have. That's pineapple sauce. Like I would have seen pineapple. I don't know if I would have. That's the right one.
And see, I tried to use it as ranch, and yeah, I put a lot of ranch seasoning in there, and it was still fucking tangy.
How much?
You better hope you catch it before.
On Google Maps from the overview, that'll just tell you to straight. As if you flew to that bitch. You gotta press start and see what it's really finna take you once you hit this fucking highway and shit.
All right, y'all, it's the end of the night, and that's everything that I ate for today. I bought some ice cream. I don't know if I told y'all, but I left it. I think I did tell y'all. It was in the car. I forgot it was in the car. And I went to the dispensary. I was there for a very long time, and then I decided to give somebody a ride home. And I drove in the complete opposite direction of their home. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Like I said, it wasn't what I wanted it to be, but it was realistic. So I hope y'all enjoyed and appreciate that. So I will see y'all in my next video.